So down below we have the engine room. And we've got 2-man V12 1800 horsepower engines. They've only got 260 hours on, so she's basically new, fully serviced, up to date. And what's great also, this yacht has 2 gyro Seakeeper stabilizers. They're the NG6 model. And so she's extremely stable and amazing performance when she's underway, and indeed when she's at anchor.
There's a ton of room down here too. I mean,
Yeah.
you can stand in most parts of it. It's there's no issues working on anything.
And in terms of fuel capacity, she's got 951 gallons. And for water capacity, she's got 211 gallons.
Beautiful. All the quality Pershing's known for.